The Great River Adventure.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our big adventure in the Amazon rainforest today.
I am so excited because we are finally here in South America together.
The Amazon is the largest rainforest in the whole world, Maya.
I can see many tall trees, and the river looks very wide and brown.
That is the Amazon River, and it is the home of many amazing animals.
We need to get into our small boat so we can start our journey.
I have the map and a camera to take photos of everything we see.
Do you think we will see a jaguar or maybe a very big snake?
I hope so because I want to learn everything about these beautiful creatures.
Wait a minute. I hear a very loud noise coming from the trees above.
Look up there because those are colorful birds called macaws flying in the sky.
They have bright red, blue, and yellow feathers, and they look so beautiful.
Macaws live in large groups and they love to eat seeds and tropical fruits.
The rainforest is very noisy because all the animals are talking to each other.
It is also very hot and humid, so we must drink a lot of water.
I am wearing my hat and my boots to stay safe in the jungle.
That is a good idea because there are many insects on the ground here.
Let's start the motor of the boat and go deeper into the green forest.
The water is moving slowly, but we must be careful of the hidden rocks.
I see something moving near the edge of the river over there, Liam.
Is it a crocodile? Because I know they like to swim in this river.
No, it is much smaller, and it has a very long brown tail.
Oh, I see it now, and I think it is a playful spider monkey.
It is jumping from branch to branch because it wants to find some food.
Monkeys are very fast, and they use their tails to hold onto the trees.
I want to take a photo of the monkey before it disappears into the leaves.
The Amazon is full of life, and every tree has a different story to tell.
Why are the trees so tall, and why is the sky so hard to see?
The trees grow very high because they all want to reach the bright sunlight.
The floor of the forest is quite dark because the leaves block the sun.
That is called the canopy, and it is like a roof for the animals.
I feel like we are in a different world because everything is so green.
We are lucky to be here because this place is important for our planet.
Does the Amazon rainforest really produce a lot of oxygen for us to breathe?
Yes, people often call this forest the lungs of the earth because of that.
We must protect this place so the animals can live here safely forever.
I agree with you because we need nature to stay healthy and strong.
Look at those pink animals jumping in the water near our small boat.
Those are pink river dolphins, and they are very rare and special animals.
I did not know that dolphins could live in a river with fresh water.
Most dolphins live in the ocean, but these dolphins love the Amazon River.
They look very friendly, and they're swimming right next to our boat now.
The pink color comes from the blood vessels under their very thin skin.
I am so happy that I brought my camera to record this moment.
We are having a great first day, but the sun is starting to go down.
The sky is turning orange, and it is time to find a place to rest.
We can put our tent near the river, but we must be very careful.
I have some food in my bag, so we can eat dinner together tonight.
Tomorrow we will go deeper into the jungle to find even more animals.
I hope the weather is good because I want to see the giant lilies.
The Amazon is full of surprises, and I am ready for the next adventure.
Let's turn off the motor and enjoy the sounds of the dark forest now.
Good night, Maya. I think tomorrow will be another very exciting day for us.
Good night, Liam. I can hear the frogs singing a song in the distance.
Into the deep jungle.
Good morning, Liam. Did you sleep well in our small tent last night?
I slept a little bit, but the jungle was very noisy all night long.
I heard many strange sounds, and I think some owls were looking for food.
The rainforest never sleeps because many animals like to come out at night.
Today, we are leaving the boat to walk deep into the thick green trees.
We must stay together because it is very easy to get lost in here.
I have my compass and the map, so we can find our way back.
Look at the ground because there's a long line of very small ants.
Those are leafcutter ants, and they are carrying heavy green leaves on their backs.
They take the leaves under the ground to grow mushrooms for their large family.
They are very strong because those leaves are much bigger than their tiny bodies.
The jungle is full of small workers that help the forest grow every day.
Watch your step because the roots of the trees are very big and slippery.
The air feels very heavy here because there are so many plants around us.
I see a very strange insect on that leaf, and it looks like a stick.
That is a walking stick insect, and it uses camouflage to hide from birds.
It is hard to see it because it looks exactly like a brown branch.
Many animals in the Amazon use colors to hide or to warn their enemies.
Look over there at that bright blue butterfly flying near the purple flowers.
That is a blue morpho butterfly, and its wings are very shiny and wide.
It is the most beautiful insect I have ever seen in my whole life.
The jungle is like a giant garden with many colors and different smells.
Wait, do you see that slow animal hanging upside down from the tree?
That is a sloth, and it moves very slowly to save its energy.
It looks like it is smiling, and it has very long green fur.
The fur is green because tiny plants grow on it in the humid air.
Sloths are very quiet animals, and they spend most of their time sleeping.
We are lucky to see one because they usually stay very high up.
I want to draw a picture of the sloth in my adventure notebook.
We should keep moving because I want to reach the big waterfall soon.
I can hear the sound of falling water coming from behind those rocks.
The waterfall is beautiful, and the water is very clear and very cold.
Let's sit here for a moment and eat some of our tropical fruit.
The Amazon has many delicious fruits that we cannot find in our country.
I like the sweet taste of this mango because it is very fresh.
We must be careful not to leave any trash in this clean forest.
Of course, we must respect nature and keep the home of animals clean.
The clouds are getting dark, and I think it is going to rain.
It is called a rainforest because it rains almost every day of the year.
We should find a big leaf to stand under so we do not get wet.
The rain is very loud when it hits the leaves of the tall trees.
It feels much cooler now, and the plants look very happy for the water.
I see a small frog with very bright skin near the wet stones.
Do not touch it because bright colors often mean the frog is poisonous.
Thank you for the warning, because I did not know that about frogs.
In the jungle, we must look with our eyes, but not with our hands.
The rain is stopping now, and the sun is coming out again, Liam.
Everything looks shiny, and the forest smells like fresh earth and wet flowers.
I think I see something big moving behind that very thick bush over there.
Let's be very quiet and move slowly to see what animal it is.
Is it the jaguar we were looking for at the start of our trip?
I am not sure yet, but we must be very careful right now.
The king of the jungle.
Stay very still and do not make any loud noises right now, Maya.
My heart is beating very fast because I can see a yellow shadow.
It is a jaguar, and it is the most powerful cat in the forest.
Look at its beautiful skin with those black spots and the yellow fur.
The jaguar is looking for a place to rest near the cool water.
It is much larger than I thought, and it looks very strong indeed.
We are very lucky because jaguars are usually very hard to find here.
I am taking a video very slowly so I do not scare it away.
The jaguar is the king of the Amazon, and everyone respects this animal.
It is walking toward the river now to take a drink of water.
It did not see us because we are standing behind these thick bushes.
Now it is disappearing into the deep green forest, and it is gone.
That was the most amazing moment of our entire trip to South America.
I cannot believe we really saw a wild jaguar in its natural home.
The Amazon rainforest is full of magic if you are patient and quiet.
I feel very tired now because we walked for many hours today, Liam.
We should start walking back to our boat before it gets too dark.
The sun is setting and the sky is a mix of purple and red.
We must follow the path we made and look for our old markers.
I see the tall tree with the strange shape near the riverbank.
That means our boat is very close and we are almost safe now.
I can hear the water of the river moving against the wooden boat.
Let's climb inside and find our flashlights for the long night ahead.
We have seen so many animals during these 3 days in the jungle.
We saw colorful birds, playful monkeys, slow sloths, and even a jaguar.
I learned that every animal has a special role in the big forest.
And we learned that the rainforest is very important for the whole world.
I want to tell all my friends at school about this great adventure.
We can show them your photos and the videos of the pink dolphins.
The Amazon is a beautiful place, but it is also very fragile, Liam.
That is why we must tell people to protect the trees and water.
I am sad to leave, but I am happy for the memories we made.
Do not be sad because there are many more places for us to explore.
Where do you want to go for our next big educational video series?
Maybe we can go to Africa to see the lions and the elephants.
That sounds like a wonderful idea, and I am ready to go tomorrow.
Let's rest first because we need a lot of energy for the savannah.
Thank you for being my partner on this incredible journey through the trees.
Thank you too, Maya, and thank you to everyone for watching our show.
Goodbye from the Amazon, and we will see you on our next adventure.
Keep exploring and always remember to take care of our beautiful green planet.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.